Hi, welcome to our channel. Let's prepare potato fry. Chop the potatoes. Wash well and fill with cold water. Add some oil. Add some mustard seeds. Oh, fireworks! Add some curry leaves. Now add the chopped potatoes. One spoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook for 5 minutes. Add pepper powder. Add chili powder. Add turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Cook until potatoes crispy. Our crispy potato fry is ready. Add some oil. Add some mustard seeds. Add some curry leaves. Add the tomatoes. Add chili powder. Coriander powder and jeera powder. Add pepper powder. Add salt to taste. Add tamarind water. Add cooked dal. Add 2 cups coconut milk. Coconut milk. Rasam is ready. Fry some yummy papadum. And enjoy a meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye.